First, single focus versus side-to-side wiring neuroscience insight. Men's brains excel at front-to-back connections, making you a laser-focused single tasker. Women's brains have richer side-to-side links, so she naturally juggles multiple threads: kids, texts, plans, conversation. Real-world example: she texts, "Can we do brunch, grocery shopping, and call my mom tomorrow?" You reply, "Brunch sounds perfect, let's lock that in. Would Saturday or Sunday work better for groceries?" Subtle nudge. By choosing one item first, you guide her to prioritize your plan. She feels heard and unconsciously aligns with your streamlined approach. Second, verbal command centers, neuroscience insight. Women engage both hemispheres for speech, unpacking details and revisiting past issues. Men rely more on one side, preferring quick resolution. Real-world example: she messages late at night, "Remember last week when you were late? I still feel hurt." You respond, "You felt overlooked, I get that. Here's what I'll do. I'll plan our next evening so you never wonder if I care." Subtle nudge. You validate her need to talk, then frame the solution as your initiative. She mentally credits you with taking charge. 3. Hormonal drivers and emotional memory. Neuroscience insight. Men's emotions fire intensely but fade as testosterone levels drop. Women's bonding hormone, oxytocin, ties emotions to memory, so small gestures stick. Real-world example: you swing by her favorite cafe and grab a caramel macchiato just the way she likes it. Later, she tells a friend, "He totally remembered my order. So sweet." Subtle nudge. That thoughtful act anchors a positive memory. Next time she feels that craving, she'll think of you first. 4. Stress responses and conflict. Neuroscience insight. Under stress, men tend to freeze or fight. Verbal processing shuts down. Women tend and befriend, talking through emotions to feel supported. Real-world example: she storms into the room. "You forgot our dinner reservation." You stay calm. "You're right to feel disappointed. Let me fix this. I'll call them right now and upgrade us to a chef's table." Subtle nudge. By immediately owning the solution, you shift her focus from frustration to your competence, reinforcing that you lead under pressure. Putting it all together. A day in action 1. Opening focus. You text, "Taco truck at 7 p.m. Meet me there for the best al pastor in town." Subtle nudge. A decisive plan feels confident and attractive. Second mid-date. Check in. She sighs, "Work's been insane." You say, "That sounds rough. Tell me one thing I can do tonight to help you unwind." Subtle nudge. You steer her to focus on a single need, then deliver on it. 3. Emotional peak. When it gets chilly, you slip your jacket onto her shoulders. She smiles and leans in. Subtle nudge. Physical warmth plus emotional care creates an oxytocin boost and a memory she'll replay. 4. Handling a snag. She pauses. "I wish guys noticed these little things." You grin. "I do. They're what matter most. What should I remember next time?" Subtle nudge. You invite her to set the agenda, then frame yourself as attentive and in control. By embedding small nudges in each interaction, you're not manipulating her feelings. You're simply aligning with how her brain works. You guide the vibe, she feels understood, and attraction deepens naturally.